Hi guys, just wanted to drop a line and point out some changes that I made to Google Classroom, as well as something I'll be trying this week called virtual office hours. So if we click on our Google Classroom Early Global page, it'll bring us to what's known as the stream, also kind of like the home page for our class. And originally, I had it set up so that everything went into the stream: assignments, discussion threads, announcements, etc. Well, I've changed that now. All you will see on the stream are announcements. And the announcements are going to essentially give you an indication of, hey, this is what our assignment is today. This is what I expect you to do. This is what hopefully you will learn by the end of this lesson. Where you're going to find your assignments is going to be under this classwork tab. So we'll go ahead and click on the classwork tab. And you can see I've set it up so that there are headings, and then the assignments are then listed underneath the headings. So this was your assignment for Friday the 27th. There were two discussion questions, as well as the assignment where you analyzed a number of different European explorers. Okay, so that is the one big change here. The other thing I wanted to point out is, starting this week, we're gonna do virtual office hours, or I'm gonna do virtual office hours where you have the ability, if you would like, you're not required to do so, but you have the ability to sign up for a video conference with me. The way you'll do that is under this classroom resources tab is a announcement that says schedule a video conference with me. And within that announcement is a link to Google Calendar. You'd go ahead and click on that link. It'll bring you to your Google Calendar. And what you will see once Google Calendar opens up is something that looks like this. You'll see your class here, Early Global Studies, listed for the time slot for virtual office hours. The time slot is 11:15 to 1:15, so it's a 2-hour window. And the slots themselves are set up in 15-minute increments. Sign up for whichever time works best for you. Please do not sign up for a time that conflicts with another class. Um, and so once you find the time that works for you, you would go ahead and click on it. And a box would pop up that gives you just sort of basic information about the appointment you're booking, who it's with, what it is, what time you will be meeting. So for this particular one, it's 11:45 to 12. And then finally, under description, you'll see a link for where you will meet with me for a video conference. If all of that works for you, you would hit save. After you save the appointment, you can see it is highlighted blue, which means that nobody else can uh, take that appointment from you. It will also go to your email. And once my email opens up, you will see an invitation. Okay. You'd click on it. And essentially, again, it would just have all the information that you would need when it meets, when we would meet, uh, as well as the link to take you to the video where we can meet. The other way you can go ahead and access this video meeting is through, hi everybody, is through our Google Classroom. Again, under available resources, classroom resources, you'll see a tab that says Early Global Class Google Hangout link. You could also go ahead and click on that during your available time slot, and we can meet. I hope you find this to be helpful. And as always, email me with any questions or any concerns you have. All right, guys. See ya in the interwebs.